Before I start, I do want to share my experience. I think for me it has been a great day so far, listening to various different speakers from different organizations. It has been an enriching experience. Um, I want to make a bold statement before I start my session. All of us are tracked. Whatever we do, each and every activity that we do, location tracking is an integral part of our life. And I'll take a pause just to see if there is anybody who doesn't agree with what I say. I think people do agree. I want to take the silence as people are agreeing with what I'm saying. So location indeed is an integral part of our life, and it in fact forms the new frontier for collections and recovery. Huge data gets generated every day, and it has a lot of location information available in it. And we strongly believe at Dista that this is time for enterprises, organizations to start using location data to derive meaningful insights and use those insights to make informed business decisions. In fact, what we recommend, and I would go ahead one step further and say that location intelligence could be an integral part of your business strategy to help improve your business operations. So this is my agenda for the day. I will quickly take you through the power of location intelligence and what we have done at Dista to enable our customers to enrich that, to enhance, to use that to improve their business operations. As I said, huge data gets generated in almost every aspect of life what we do, and almost 80% of the data that our customers have has location information stored in it. Right? So using that data, the customers' data, their business expertise, and our capabilities, tech capabilities in location intelligence, we can work together to help drive business improvements. Our capabilities, our tech capabilities, and your business expertise, when we have worked with various different customers in the field, we've seen that our customers have reached benefits related to improved ACR, increased field sales visibility, optimized agency network, and identifying high delinquent areas. And these are some of the customers, named few customers that we are working with. There are many more. I will not talk about them. I'll just keep this slide here so that you can look at it, and I'll move forward. Now, we've been working in this field for quite some time now, and every time we sit in front of the customers, there are a lot of questions that come to us, right, in the field of collections. More so from a perspective of visualization, strategization, and optimization. And we've been able to categorize these questions that have repeatedly come to us in 3 different categories. And you will see that this theme is consistent in my talk today, and I will explain you what each of these things mean in the future slides. So these stakeholders, business stakeholders and decision makers, we have seen that they want a powerful capability to visualize their current state of affairs. Visualize what is happening on the field through a very powerful visualization tool, understand how they can visualize what the risks are in their business operations. Using that visualized information that they have, they would want to derive actionable insights and create a strategy plan around that which will be customized for various different business needs. And then we work with our customers to help them operationalize that strategy. Now, visualization is a cornerstone, and we've learned this over a period of time that strong visualization capability is a cornerstone to success. Okay? So, our platform gives a capability of creating powerful visualizations on a single view, map view to our customers. So our platform gives a very strong, powerful visualization capability to our customers. Now, visualization is one thing, but the ability to be able to draw actionable insights through powerful visualizations is what makes us very strong, right? In the case of field collections, visualizations related to understanding how the business is performing at any given moment of time on the map view. Track the collections and recovery according to area, region, or territory, performance of branches and agencies on the ground. And analyze geodata, as in what things happen on the ground. Visualizing risks is something that our customers get through the platform. Complete map-based risk visualization of the exposure that comes with the collections business. Identifying highly delinquent areas, positive and negative areas, and then being able to define customized strategies around that. Using past data, past collection data, and data models that are available, data that is available through government bureaus, which can be overlaid on top of that to derive risk profiling. Our models enable our customers to do that. And when these risk indicators are derived, these help our customers to drive their business decisions very effectively. Now, once the visualization is done, what we do is we sit with our customers to help them strategize, right? Helping them define positive and negative areas on the map which they can do themselves, right? And these could be done either through an automated way based on the data that is provided to us, or they can themselves help define those areas. These definitions then can be used for credit evaluation in real time. Basically, what it means is that this information can feed back to the disbursement team, and on a real-time basis, they can define whether the lead that is generated from a positive or a negative area, whether that is serviceable or not serviceable. This data then can be further diced and sliced at a regional level, at an officer level, at a branch level. It gives a very powerful mechanism for the operations team to understand, how the lay of the land spans out. The second thing that we can also help with is, understanding the market coverage. Basically, what it means is that, defining serviceable grids based on various different parameters, but not limited to distance from the branch location, or pin code based grid mapping, or manual point-to-point grid creation. What it means is that this information further can be used with automated checks to define whether the customers that are coming, these can be onboarded from the serviceable areas into the system or not, right? And then this simulations can be generated on the fly, on the map, which means this information is really dynamic. As and when the data changes, the system has the capability to allow user to create these simulations real time and feed back to the operations. What we bring to the table again is based on the historical data, the collection data, and the intelligence on the field, and the business expertise. We have a very powerful engine that enables our customer to automate allocation. Now, we've seen that when we speak to a lot of customers, we've seen that a lot of time the customers spend on creating allocations on monthly basis, right? And based on our experience on the field, we have built an engine over a period of time, which is our core strength, which takes in a lot of input parameters. We can define custom rules, and the whole allocation process can be automated through that. And it takes in multiple parameters like agent proximity to the case, agent capacity, agent skills, availability, and many more. And this helps to optimize field resources on the ground. This also enables that the territory collections can be prioritized at any given point in time. And then this also further improves in revenue collections. Now, helping customers visualize something and then create a strategy around that is one part. But what really makes us strong is the fact that we are able to quickly operationalize the strategy on the field. Our typical time to market so far has been anything between 3 to 6 weeks. Now, what we have been able to do is, once the strategy is placed or formalized, the complete orchestration of field collections can be done on our platform, right? Which includes automatic allocation, complete orchestration of workflows for field collections, real-time cockpit view for the stakeholders sitting in the central area, very strong collaboration between the agent on the field and the central team. A very powerful tool in the hands of the field collection executive, which gives him real-time information on what customer he is visiting, what are the customer dynamics, where did he meet the customer last time, what is his current performance, what are the targets that are set for his day, and where he is at currently with respect to them. And then there are nudges that are get set to him to help improve the productivity and make him aware of what is happening on the field. I just keep this slide here. This is basically, we also do intelligent field planning for collections from businesses and deposit to banks. We all know that, in India, when we talk about location intelligence, address is the most important factor. We don't, a lot of times, and many times we've seen that the problem that we have with addresses in India is that we don't have structured addresses. And various different mapping solutions, when we feed these addresses to, don't return the right location. How many of you, when you visit your friends, are comfortable telling them that send me your location instead of your address? Right? So we have developed, we've been working on this for quite some time, where we are able to take the address in whatever format it comes in, and then cleanse it, feed it to multiple mapping providers, get the geocoding output, do a string comparison, and then score it, and then provide the most accurate address to the businesses. Some of our customer success stories, I'll just keep it here, maybe not go through it in deep. Now, why do I say that we are able to operationalize the strategy very fast? Now, this is how we have, the reason why I'm able to say this is because the way our platform is designed. We are underlying technology, we are a Google Cloud and Google Maps platform technology. We're using that. On top of that, we have built our own custom framework, which is a very powerful framework. Using those framework components, we are able to assemble our core components, which could give us capability for scheduling and routing, clustering, asset tracking, task management, collaboration, sending nudges and all. And using these core components, we are able to quickly assemble them as per the need and build business solutions. Now, these components in a technology space, basically, if we talk about, these are very loosey-goosey components which can be collected together quickly. This is a no-code, low-code platform which helps us to assemble them together and solve any business case that is there on the ground. This is how we are. We are headquartered in Pune. We have sales offices in New Delhi and Mumbai. We have presence in outside India. We have about 35 plus strong customers in domains like BFSI, CPG, retail. We process about 50 million plus jobs in a month. We have 55,000 active daily users on the platform, and we are 100 plus strong team. Well, that's it, and we are here at Boot 2. I look forward to talking to you there, giving you our pricing plans. We have an interesting demo that we have already put in there. Do visit us. We look forward to talking to all of you and see what we can do together.